Hi guys, it's Sarah from Miles, and today I'm going to do a quick video showing you how to change the wheel on your board. Super easy. All you need is a 2.5mm Allen wrench, and let's go to it. So on the outside plate, there's 3 screws right here, so you're just going to take your Allen wrench and loosen them up. There we go. Just place those off to the side. And there's those 3 screws. Okay, and then you're going to go ahead and use your Allen wrench to just kind of pry this plate off. It should come off pretty easy. And then on the inside here, there's another set of screws. There's 3 smaller ones, and so we're going to head and go loosen those too. And I'm going to put them over here separately because they're 2 different size screws, so the smaller ones go on the inside. Now that we have the second set of screws off, you're going to go ahead and use your Allen wrench again and just pry this second plate off. It should come off pretty easy. Then the wheel should slide right off just like that. There we go, and there's your motor. So then we're going to put on the new wheel, and there's teeth on both sides, so you're just going to go ahead and line those up. It should slide on fairly easy. Once they're lined up, you should feel a little click, and that's how you know it's in place. There we go. So we're gonna go ahead and just take this bigger plate and line up the holes. Okay, and then you're gonna take the smaller screws, which go on the outside. I'm just gonna slightly tighten each one just to make sure it's even. Don't tighten it all the way. You do wanna make sure these are tight because it's what holds your wheel into place, but don't go overboard, don't break your tool or anything like that. And then again, we're going to take this plate on the outside. We're just going to go ahead and put it, line it up. Should slide right on. And then the bigger screws, just 3 again. All right, and there we have it. I'm going to go ahead and take the remote and just test out here and make sure there's no wobbling and it's all even. Ah, look at that. And there you have it, guys. Super simple. You can order the wheels online at milespower.com. It comes with the tool, so you won't have to worry about that. So feel free to shred away. Till next time.